And so I offered $100 to a kid who could get a math question right. All the kids said they were taught math. Only one kid got the answer right. I was asked him an algebra question. What's a quadratic formula for solving polynomial expressions for a squared plus b plus c equals 0? Something I learned in 7th grade here in this county. The girl stands up boldly and she says the quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Great, perfect. She got it right. I'm going to reward her. I'm walking over. I hand her the $100. And bam, from all corners of the compass, the 5 teachers in the room surrounded her to protect her like they were ex-Secret Service. I think even though the green. And so I went up to one of the teachers and I said, well, what's the problem here? Right, they're like kids. And he says, no, you don't understand the kids in school. They're like wolves.
Well, I took a walk around the world to ease my troubled mind.
It's not a stretch to know that you become what you learn. If you learn engineering, you'll change into an engineer. But what are the odds that you could also change into a dog, men are pigs, sheep, chicken, wolf, Jackass the movie.
If I go crazy, then will you still call me Superman? If I'm alive and well, will you be there?